Hi, Sarah here with a Plan With Me video for you today. I'm using this kit by Fab Planner Print, which is called Winter Deer. I will leave a link below for the kit as well as the shop and the Facebook group, so you can go and check those out. And also my discount code, which is 10Sarah, which can get you 10% off if you decide to buy some stickers. Okay, so to begin with, I'm just laying down some ombre washi. I do this because I am using a Erin Condren style kit and I'm using it in an A5 rings planner. So this just means that I can use the headers and different deco pieces, and they fit nicely then. So I just have to trim things down slightly here and there, and then they just fit perfectly in. Just a little bit of snipping here and there. So I'm now just going to add in the days of the week as I've covered them up with the header stickers, and I'm also adding in the weekend banner. And for this week I've decided to use these cute scalloped lists. As you can see, there are also ombre lists, so this kit could probably do me at least 2 weeks, maybe 3, depending how I use it. I'm also adding in a cleaning schedule with the 8th scalloped list there, and also a meal planner. And I've just stuck in the bin day there and a couple of deco stickers. I'm also adding in some half boxes here, and that is just so I can record my YouTube bits and bobs and Instagram, etc. And now I'm just going to frame my page with these cute deco stickers here, and that's because I just don't want to put them in the middle because I have got a lot on this week, so I wanted to make sure I had quite a lot of white space left over there. So I've just put them around the outside, and that is it for using my kit. I just add a couple of cute little stickers from my stash, so I've got at least half the kit left that I could use for another week, so I'm happy with that. If you would like to see more from me, then please like and subscribe, and I will be back next week with another winter Christmassy themed plan with me. So thanks for joining me today. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.